Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys my absolute clean girl makeup look. Tried so many makeup looks, but I always come back to this one, and trust me guys, it never fails me. So let me show you how I do it with all of my favorite tips and tricks. That's it for my go-to clean girl makeup look. I hope you guys loved it as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know your favorite parts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.